Hey everybody, it's Jordan Yates. Welcome back to my channel. If you've been around here for a while, you may remember that I used to be very into soldering and started that interest about a year ago. Well, a lot of my series were on soldering for beginners, and you guys got to watch my progression as I learned. EIM Technology saw that and they thought this would be a great person to test out their Spark Tip rechargeable soldering kit. Now, I'm really excited because I didn't realize, cordless soldering pens were like an actual thing. And I'd say one of the most frustrating parts about soldering is like when one, you have to have a cord that's long enough, or two, that it's like I feel like I'm always flipping it over my wrist, it's always in the way, and sometimes it feels a little bit unsafe because I'm so focused on the cord being in the way that I'm not thinking about, that I could burn myself if I'm not careful. So they sent me this, and then they sent me their portable power supply to try out. So I'm going to give you guys an honest review of what I think of these products. They said, please be as brutally honest as possible. We want our products to speak for themselves, and they want to learn from what is and is not good. So let's unbox, and then we will give it a test run. All right, let's start this unboxing process. A tutorial, soldering for beginners, implemented by Spark Tip. This is so cute. I love a good paperback. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is just so cool. I love this. They did such a good job. Wow. Okay, so educational aspect, I am loving this. Next, what do we have? Okay, oh my goodness, this sponge is just so cute. Look at this. So next, what do we have? This looks like it's going to be a stand. Okay, very cool. And you'll see probably the sponge will go in there when we wet it, I'm assuming. Okay. Then we have our solder. Very nice. Love our solder. Gonna need that for sure. Now it looks like we have a few tips. Nice. These feel very sturdy. I think I was using some pretty cheap tips before, so these seem to be pretty nice. Yep, like that. Okay. Second solder. Put that lid back on. Then it looks like we have a charging cord. Okay. And then last but not least, the actual soldering pen. Okay, so I feel like it's just gonna be easier if I stand up to show you guys this. So it looks like here is the charging port. Okay, and then it's probably the on and off button. This seems to unscrew. And then I'm assuming we just screw one of these guys on. I like the pointy tips the best. Okay, that does not seem to be how this works. Nope, maybe it is. JK. Okay. We will open the portable power supply. Cute. All right. Cute little bag. Get it out of here. Be nice. Okay. Power. Some more information. Looks like another input. Adjustable. Okay. Very cool. So here's sort of a description. It's direct plug fitting to breadboards, 4 to 24 volt adjustable output voltage, high capacity rechargeable battery. Ooh, charge my phone on it. Very cool. And there's a lot more stuff that seems to come in this box. What's next? Okay, some little flatheads. These are kind of cute. I'm assuming these are so you can adjust this right here. It's good that they give us multiple. Probably tend to lose these. Okay, here tends to be a power cord, it seems. Ooh, okay. Got our positive and negatives, and we connect these via a USB. Very cool. Here's in the way. Then one more power cord you could see here. Yep. All right, so looks kind of interesting. Let's see if it just turns on. Okay, wow, it's already on. So I guess we would probably want to read the instruction manual before using it because it's important to have the correct power. So overall, I think this portable power supply looks really nice. I'm not going to demo this today. I'll say the review I'll give it for now is it seems to be very quality. I like that it comes with all of these different power cords and the correct tools, but I'm not going to do the full setup today to actually test it. So let me know if you would like me to test it and I'll come back and do it in another video. Okay, I have this soldering kit that I'm going to use to demo the soldering iron. I'm just going to put in some LED lights and use this for an example. It took me a minute to figure out how to turn this iron on. There wasn't clear instructions on how to do it, but I found them after the fact, so here they are. To power it on, just press the button 5 times and that should get it on for you. Wish I saw that sooner. And then it's going to heat up if you have 3 different temperatures and then a continuous heating mode. So if you want to see more details, take a look at the brochure. And let's see how well it solders. See if I still remember how to solder. Heat up that joint. Okay, maybe get my little fan going. Okay. One thing I will say is it works well. Turning it on was kind of a pain, but it is so much easier soldering without a cord in my way. Like, this is actually really fun. I don't know, I need to check the specs on the battery life, but this is like so enjoyable. All right, I'm actually gonna pull out another, let's pull out our stand. I'm gonna let's use it again. It's a little warm up here, I'll give it that. All right, got some bumping into my camera. All right, heat up the joint. Oh yeah, oh that's nice. Look at that. This is wonderful. I'm obsessed. Oh my goodness. This makes soldering so much more fun. Whoa. Okay, here we go. Wow, guys. There was a bit of user incompetence in the beginning. Shocker, I'm not always great at taking the time to read instructions, so that was my bad. Once I got this thing finally charged and turned on, I mean, I've never compared it to another cordless soldering iron, but I'll have to say cordless versus corded soldering iron, 10 out of 10 better. Like, this was freaking awesome. Like, I haven't soldered in a while because I don't want to say lost interest, but I just like haven't been doing it as much. But this made it fun. I wasn't like trying to constantly flip the cord over my wrist, move it out of the way, or drag a new extension cord over if I wanted to solder somewhere else. Like, this would be great if you're just kind of like, you know, in the field and you're fixing something and you need to just like, you know, solder the component on right there, or you're just literally anybody who wants to solder. I freaking love this, okay? Like I said, I think the only thing that was missing, and I might have gone straight past it, was some sort of guide on how to turn it on. Like, obviously you have to charge it, and there's all that, and I'm sure there's something on the website. So I'm gonna look on the website and see if there's information on how to turn it on, what each of these indicators mean, because I don't see that in the box or on the box. It comes with this cool tutorial for soldering, but it doesn't seem to talk about this pen unless I just skipped like right past it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna have to say love this cordless soldering iron, but gonna need just like a few more obvious instructions on how to work it. So yeah, I like this a lot, and I'll let you guys know like where to find these if you want your own, how you can get one, and if you have any questions, please just comment them, because I didn't go super into depth. I just kind of did like, this is my very first time using it. I didn't spend a lot of time testing it and then showing you guys. I wanted that feel of like straight out of the box impression and first time use feeling. Just how way back in the day I showed you guys my very first time soldering, just unfiltered. That's just the kind of styles I like for videos. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. See you next time.